Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because the sorting lives in Contacts. Open Settings, tap Contacts, then look for Sort Order and Display Order. Choose Last first to sort by surname. This makes Alphabetical lists group by family name. Choose First, Last if you prefer given name order. Once done, make sure your iCloud Contacts toggle is on, so changes sync across devices. If you have multiple accounts, confirm which account stores each contact. Otherwise, you may sort one set, but not another. Now apply the order and check syncing. This is the crucial middle step. After picking Sort Order, tap Display Order so the listing and the shown name match. This prevents confusion when searching. Next, open Settings right arrow accounts and passwords, or mail right arrow accounts to verify which accounts have contacts enabled. If you keep contacts across iCloud and Gmail, make sure both are set to sync. Otherwise, only one source will reflect the alphabetical order. This ensures uniformity on all devices and apps. Finish by verifying the Contacts app shows the new order. Open Contacts and scroll, alphabetical headers should appear. If the order hasn't updated, force close the app or restart your iPhone because the system sometimes needs a refresh. For messy lists, merge duplicates using Edit right arrow link contacts so duplicates don't break alphabetical flow. If contacts are missing after changing accounts, confirm contacts is enabled for that account and toggle sync off and on to force re-download.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.